I want to show you how to claim your airdrop from FinTOCH wallet. Just like Trust Wallet gave out their airdrop during when they were launching their own wallet. So this FinTOCH is also giving out their own airdrop, and you should not take it for granted. So here is how to claim the airdrop. You click on wallet first so that you can copy your address. This address FTC is what you are going to copy. You copy this address. Okay, FTC, you copy it. So just click on it, then click on receive. Click on receive, copy the wallet address, go back to the main home page. Okay, then this place now, the news will be flashing. Okay, the news will be flashing to show the airdrop. Okay, let me wait for it. Look at it here. Click on it. Click on it. So it will load. Then a place where you should paste your wallet address will be shown to you. Okay, here is it. Okay, you paste the wallet address here. Paste it here, and then you click on submit. Okay, click on submit. Click on submit. You can see that it is submitted successfully. So all I need to do is wait for the airdrop to drop. Okay, it's going to drop. You can see I've received 0.1. I've received 0.1 so of FTC. So that is how to claim your airdrop from FinTOCH. Thank you.